Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let's journey together on how to create landscapes art on Crayon. Dive into the world of breathtaking vistas with Crayon's AI art generator as we guide you through the process of crafting stunning landscape art. Here's how to bring the beauty of nature to your canvas. Begin your artistic journey by opening the Crayon AI art generator, your gateway to turning landscapes into captivating masterpieces. Let your creativity soar as you type out your idea for your landscape art. Imagine Saharan desert, camels, sunset, oasis. The magic is about to unfold. Click on Draw and watch in awe as Crayon's AI breathes life into your vision, transforming it into captivating artwork. Gaze upon the result, a unique creation that captures the essence of nature's beauty. With Crayon, you have the power to craft mesmerizing landscape art that transports viewers to the world's most enchanting locales. The possibilities are endless. Unleash your imagination and embark on your landscape art journey with Crayon today. That's it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.